To fix Google Play Store not working, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So as always, let's start from the beginning. First, go to your phone settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and press the apps option. In apps, we need to adjust the settings for 2 apps. So first, find and open the Google Play Store app. In the Google Play Store, scroll down and select the storage option. Clearing the cache can help fix Google Play Store not working issues. It removes temporary files that might be causing the app to freeze or not load properly. And clearing data can also fix Google Play Store issues. It resets the app to its default state, removing bugs, cache, and old settings that might be causing problems. Now, let's move on to the settings for the next app. For that, go back and find Google Play Services. Open Google Play Services. In Google Play Services, find and open the storage option. Clearing the cache of Google Play Services can sometimes fix issues like Google Play Services not working. It removes temporary files that might be causing errors without deleting your personal data. And also, clearing data of Google Play Services can sometimes fix such issues. It resets the service, removing corrupted temporary files or settings that might be causing problems. One last step remains, which is very important. For that, minimize the Settings app. Swipe down to see the shortcut menu. At the top, press the power icon. And finally, don't forget to restart your phone. This is important for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.